હાય એવરીવન, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. ફરી બધાનું સ્વાગત કરું છું. તમને ખબર છે પ્રમાણે આ દિવસોમાં આપણે શોર્ટ નોટ્સ લખી રહ્યા છે. યુનિટ 9 ટ્યુન અપ ઓર ટીન્સ. આ યુનિટની 2 શોર્ટ નોટ્સ તમારા નોટબુકની અંદર લખાઈ ગઈ છે મિત્રો. નંબર 1 વેઝ ઓફ ઇમ્પ્રુવિંગ રિટેન્શન એન્ડ ધ સેકન્ડ વન ઇઝ ડૉક્ટર મેકીઝ વ્યૂઝ ઓન શેરિંગ. આ બંને શોર્ટ નોટ્સ આપણે ગઈકાલના વિડીયો લેક્ચરમાં તમને લખાવી દીધી છે અને આજે આ વિડીયો લેક્ચરની અંદર આપણે શોર્ટ નોટ નંબર 3rd, 4th એન્ડ 5th આ 3 શોર્ટ નોટ્સ આજે લખવાના છે. સો નોટબુક લઈ લો, તૈયાર થઈ જાઓ, હેડિંગ લગાવી દો. નંબર 3 ડૉક્ટર મંસૂરીઝ એડવાઇસ ટુ કંદર્પ અને નીચે આપેલા જે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે એ પણ લખી લો. What does Kandarp want to know? Whom does he ask about it? How does the expert explain it? What should Kandarp focus on? What should he identify? What should Kandarp do to prepare himself for the board exam? Write down the answer. Kandarp wants to know what. ઇન્વર્ટ કોમાં લખો. ટ્યુન અપ, ટી કેપિટલ, TUNE, અપ, UP. ઇન્વર્ટ કોમાં ઓવર. Kandarp wants to know what tune up means, MEANS, means. So he requested Dr. Mansoori to explain, EXPLAIN, to explain him what inward comma lakho, tune up with the exam, inward comma over, tune up with the exam means, MEANS, full stop, continue. Dr. Mansoori tells him that tuning up, TUNING, tuning up means preparing, PARING, preparing one's mind, ONE', one's mind and body properly, preparing one's mind and body properly for a particular, PARTICULAR, particular task, TASK, particular task, to be done, 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 to be done effectively, EFFECTIVELY, full stop, continue. According to Dr. Mansoori, according, ACCORDING, according to Dr. Mansoori, comma, tune up for examination means that the students should know how their body and mind work, in proper harmony, HARMONY, harmony એટલે balance, full stop, continue. Dr. Mansoori advises, ADVISES, Dr. Mansoori advises Kandarp, K capital, Dr. Mansoori advises Kandarp that he should identify, IDENTIFY, he should identify his weaknesses, WEAKNESSES. Dr. Mansoori advises Kandarp that he should identify his weaknesses and strengths, STRENGTHS, full stop, continue. Kandarp should remember that his strengths are his strengths are his assets. 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 Full stop, continue. He should not think much. He should not think much about. He should not think much about his weaknesses. His weaknesses. Full stop, continue. Dr. Mansoori tells Skandar that his strengths will help him. His strengths will help him cope up the exam. COPE. Cope up. UP. Cope up the exam. Full stop, continue. He advises. ADVICES. He advises him that he should prepare his own new timetable. He advises him that he should prepare his own new timetable for the exam. Preparation. For the exam preparation. PARATION. For the exam preparation. After he has received RECEIVED. After he has received the board examination. The board, BOARD. The board examination timetable. The board examination timetable. Full stop, continue. He should adopt. ADOPT. He should adopt relaxation. RELAXATION. He should adopt relaxation techniques. TECHNIQUES. Full stop, continue. He should do pranayams. PRANAYAMS. Pranayams, comma, yogasan. YOGASAN. Yogasan, or simple. SIMPLE. Simple stretching up. Stretching. STRETCHING. Stretching up. 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 Stretching up exercises. EXERCISES. Full stop, continue. He should maintain. MAINTAIN. He should maintain cheerful mood. Cheerful એટલે આનંદિત. Cheerful. CHEERFUL. Cheerful mood. MOOD. Cheerful mood. And spend. SPEND. And spend some time with his friends or parents. Full stop. Now number 4. टाइटल लगाई दो शॉर्ट नोट નું. ડોક્ટર મિસિસ શેલટ્સ વ્યૂઝ ઓન ગેમ્સ એન્ડ એન્ટરટેનમેન્ટ. નીચે આપેલા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ પણ લખી લો. વોટ ડઝ ટુ મચ ઓફ ટીવી એન્ડ ગેમ્સ ડુ? નેક્સ્ટ, વોટ આર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ટેમ્પ્ટેડ ટુ ડુ? નેક્સ્ટ, is total avoidance of TV and games a solution? Next question, what should parents do? Next, why are games and entertainment essential? Now write down the answer. Parents often, OFTEN, parents often complain, COMPLAIN, parents often complain that children that children spend, spend, that children spend too much time, TOO, too much time in playing games and watching TV. Full stop, continue. And because of that, their study, THEIR, their study suffers, SUFFERS, full stop. And because of that, their study suffers, full stop, continue. According to Dr. Mrs. Shalat, according, ACCORDING, according to Dr. Mrs. Shalat, comma, it is quite normal. It is quite, QUITE, it is quite normal, NORMAL, normal for teenagers, TEENAGERS, for teenagers to get tempted, to get tempted, TEMPTED, to get tempted to play and watch TV, to play and watch TV, full stop, continue. But she feels, FEELS, but she feels that there should be a time limit, there should be a time limit for the same, SAME, full stop, continue. Total avoidance, સ્પેલિંગ જોઈને લખજો, ક્વેશ્ચનમાં લખેલું છે. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર તમે જોશો તો 3rd નંબરનો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, એમાં જોઈ લો. ટોટલ અવોઇડન્સ ઓફ ગેમ્સ એન્ડ TV is not the solution. Total avoidance of games and TV is not the solution, SOLUTION, full stop, continue. But it is cruel, CRUEL, but it is cruel and unnatural, 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 full stop, continue. Parents should make sure, SURE, make sure that there is a balance between, BALANCE, balance between, BETWEEN. Parents should make sure that there is a balance between study and play hours, HOURS, kallako, full stop, continue. Games, comma, music and entertainment, ENTERTAINMENT. Games, comma, music and entertainment are quite, QUITE, quite essential, ESSENTIAL, essential for physical, PHYSICAL, physical and mental, MENTAL, mental health, HEALTH, full stop, continue. They help reduce, reduce stress, 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 full stop. હવે મિત્રો 5મા નંબરની શોર્ટ નોટ લખીશું. ટાઇટલ લખાઈ દો, ડોક્ટર શ્રોફ્સ વ્યૂઝ ઓન ફૂડ હેબિટ્સ એન્ડ સ્ટડીઝ. ટાઇટલ વ્યવસ્થિત લખાવો, ડોક્ટર શ્રોફ્સ વ્યૂઝ ઓન ફૂડ હેબિટ્સ એન્ડ સ્ટડીઝ. એન્ડ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આર, નીચે ક્વેશ્ચન લખેલા છે જુઓ. What is the relation between food and activities of the brain? Next, what is the role of heavy foods? And the last one, what food is more important to have? Write down the answer. According to Dr. Shroff, according to ACCORDING, according to Dr. Shroff, comma, there is a direct DIRECT, there is a direct relation between the food you eat, between the food you eat and the activities, ACTIVITIES, and the activities of your brain via via metabolism, METABOLISM. I repeat the whole sentence again. According to Dr. Shroff, comma, there is a direct relation between the food you eat and the activities of your brain via metabolism. Full stop, continue. Heavy food directs, DIRECTS. Heavy food directs the blood, BLOOD. Heavy food directs the blood flow, FLOW. Heavy food directs the blood flow to the digestive, DIGESTIVE. Heavy food directs the blood flow to the digestive system, comma, resulting, RESULTING, resulting into slowing down, SLOWING, slowing down, DOWN, slowing down of the brain, BRAIN, of the brain activity, ACTIVITY, full stop, continue. Heavy meals, MEALS, heavy meals make you sleepy, SLEEPY, comma, lazy, 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 and drowsy, DROWSY, full stop, continue. This affects, AFFECTS, this affects your studies, full stop, continue. Students should eat light, LIGHT, light and easy, EASY, easy to digest food, DIGEST, digest food, FOOD, food with enough ENOUGH, with enough of soup, 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 comma, juice, 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 comma, dal, DAAL, dal, comma, milk, 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 comma, chas, CHHASH, chash, slash, lassi, LASSI, etc. etc. dot. Continue लगजो. They should eat, EAT, they should eat plenty, PLENTY, plenty of raw vegetables, RAW, raw vegetables, 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 and fruits, fruits, full stop, continue. Do not overeat, do not overeat, it's one word, overeat, do not overeat, full stop, continue. It's not good, it's not good, G-O-O-D, it's not good for health, it's not good for health, H-E-A-L-T-H, health, in the long run, in the L-O-N-G, in the long R-U-N, run, full stop. નાવ મિત્રો, અહીંયા યુનિટ નંબર 9 ટ્યુન અપ ટીન્સની તમામ શોર્ટ નોટ્સ એટલે કે મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ પૂરી થઈ ગઈ છે. ગઈકાલે ટોટલ 2 શોર્ટ નોટ્સ જોઈ, આજે ટોટલ 3 શોર્ટ નોટ્સ તમે તમારી નોટબુકમાં લખી છે. હવે 10th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડની જે સંપૂર્ણ ટેક્સ્ટ બુક છે એમાંથી એક જ યુનિટ બાકી છે, યુનિટ નંબર 10 ટેસ્ટ ઓફ ટ્રુ લવ. એની જે મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એ આપણે આવતીકાલના લેક્ચરમાં ડેફિનેટલી લખીશું. જો તમને અહીંયા લખાવેલી કોઈપણ 5 શોર્ટ નોટમાં કોઈપણ જગ્યાએ ક્વેરી હોય, ક્વેશ્ચન હોય, તો નોલેજ હાઈસ્કૂલના તમામ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને નમ્ર અપીલ છે, વિનંતી છે કે તમે મારા વોટ્સઅપ નંબર યા કોલિંગ નંબર ઉપર તમે મને તમારા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ જણાવી શકો છો. નંબર તમને ખ્યાલ છે 9033624755. તમે કોલ કરીને પૂછી શકો, મેસેજ કરીને પૂછી શકો. પણ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આ શોર્ટ નોટ્સ તૈયાર કરજો, મોઢે કરજો, ખૂબ જ અગત્યની છે. 3માંથી 3 માર્ક્સ આવી જ શકે છે અને ખરેખર આ યુનિટમાંથી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ પૂછાઈ શકે છે. સો મિત્રો, અહીંયા આ વિડીયો લેક્ચરને પૂર્ણ કરીએ છીએ. ગુડ બાય. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર બીઇંગ હિયર.